Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a limited edition men's grooming box to share with you, and this is the Hero Edit by Mankind. This is the gorgeous designed box, really beautiful. This box was kindly sent to me for free in exchange for me showing you and telling you all about it. All details and everything related to this box and any discount codes I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. If you didn't already know, Mankind is an online beauty store for men. They have everything related to hair care, skin care, body care, you name it, and it's there. So the cost of this box is £50 and the value is over £200, and it contains 6 full-size, well-known branded beauty products. If you're looking for something special to give as a present on Father's Day, shipping is usually dispatched within 24 hours. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. But let's get on to showing you what's inside this box. So it looks like, and there's a little card here referring to all the products in the box, so I'll be referring to that as we go along. Plus it gives you the price as well, so I'll tell you that. And these are all the products. Give you a sneak peek. So first in the box is a clay mask by Dr. Botanicals. This is a Coco Noir Sensuous Night Repairing Moisturiser. It nourishes, balances the skin throughout the night when the skin is most receptive to regeneration. And there's 50 ml here. Now, I've tried a few products by Dr. Botanicals and they're really lovely. Now, they do say from the time you open up their products and expose to air, you've got around 6 months to use them by, so that you get the most out of your product. So I'm going to open it up because I'm giving this box to my husband on Father's Day. He's in the hallway, so I can't shout loud. So yeah, so he will use this within 6 months. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it just makes me want to put your fingers in it. Ooh, very lightly fragranced. But yeah, very different to their usual products. My hands now, that just feels gorgeous. It feels like a really luxurious hand cream. But it's a moisturiser for your face. Oh, that is lovely. This is worth £59 and it's designed to counteract daily signs of stress. This Dr. Botanicals facial moisturiser is nourishing, hydrating and will balance your skin all at once. And it just says massage in circular motions over your face and neck after cleansing. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a toothpaste, and this is by the brand Marvis. This is a whitening mint toothpaste and you've got 75 ml here. But yeah, whitening mint sounds great. The icy shiver produced by the cool mint leaves you with a lasting taste and unforgettable freshness. So this is worth £7.50 and it says regain a confident smile with the help of this luxury refreshing Marvis toothpaste developed to prevent decay and keep teeth and gums as healthy as possible. The cool mint flavour freshens breath whilst the sorbitan based formula cleanses and whitens teeth without irritation. Second item in the box. Next we got a face mask, and this is by ECOOKING, and this is a iris extract and zinc salt clay mask, and there's 100 ml here. This is a really lovely brand. My husband has actually got a cream. He uses this night cream and he really likes it. So it's nice. And I received from a different box, I received a ECOOKING face scrub, which is amazing. So a really nice brand. What can I tell you? Mask to minimise enlarged pores, blemishes, as well as counter oily skin. Use on cleansed skin, leave on until completely dry, remove with lukewarm water, use your ECOOKING serum and or cream afterwards. Use 1 to 3 times a week or as needed. Salicylic acid works as an anti-inflammatory to reduce redness and irritation. Vitamin E delivers a much needed boost of moisture and balances oil levels, whilst antacetine, I'm not sure if I said that right, protects against environmental aggressors. So you got a face mask by ECOOKING. Next we got a product by Aveda Men, and this is Pure-Formance Grooming Clay. Texture and strong, pliable control, and you've got 75 ml there. That's what the outer packaging looks like. It says work small amounts between palms and apply evenly through damp or dry hair. Aveda is another lovely brand. I use their thickening tonic, I think it's called, or thickening. It's a thickening spray anyway for your hair, and it is really nice. So, oh, I really want to put my fingers in this, definitely. What is the compulsion with me? It's like, oh, It's silly, it's silly. So this Grooming Clay is worth £23 and it says lightweight in formula and matte in finish. This Aveda styling clay will keep you in control of your hair. And then it goes into telling you how to use. It's got a styling clay. Next we got a shave gel by, I can't pronounce it. Does it say ZIRH? ZIRH? I can't pronounce that, sorry. Hopefully you will know what it is. Aloe vera shave gel, and there's 100 mils here. Cool packaging. That's what it looks like there. Tell me more about it here. So this is worth £12 and it says fortified with aloe leaf juice, algae extract and glycerin. This lightweight ZIRH shaving gel acts as a protective layer between your skin and razor. Suitable for all skin types, this non-foaming gel works to soften, hydrate and lift facial hair for a superior shaving experience with minimal resistance and irritation. This is that. Next we have an ARgENTUM face oil. Look at the packaging, that is beautiful, isn't it? It's really, really smart. Now, I haven't opened this up, so I've got to be careful. Ooh, there's 30 mils here, 100% natural. There we go. So there's little information booklets in there, and this is what it looks like. This is fab. It's just black all over, no writing except for the bottom there. It's just super smart, isn't it? Just super, super smart. So what can I tell you about it? It just says twin enhancing face oil. So let's try a little bit. There's no smell, no smell. It feels nice. So this 30ml bottle is worth £82. It's ARgENTUM L'Etoile Infinie. I'm not sure, twin enhancing face oil, boasting impressive antioxidant properties. This ARgENTUM face oil is formulated to protect, hydrate and plump out your skin. Used alone or to enhance the effects of your daily moisturiser, this luxury oil will manage your skin's sebum production for a more balanced complexion that looks youthful and nourished. And it says warm a drop of the oil into the palm of your hand and massage over the skin in circular motions, designed to be used day or night. You've got a gorgeous face oil there. So those are all the items. So I'll just go through them one by one. So we've got a night moisturising cream by Dr. Botanicals. Got a whitening mint Marvis toothpaste. We got a Aveda Men Grooming hair clay. We got a shave gel by ZIRH. Got a clay mask by ECOOKING. And finally, we've got a face oil by ARgENTUM. So those are all the contents inside Mankind's Hero Edit limited edition collection box. It costs £50 a box and has a value of over £200. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.